Hey guys, and welcome to a new vlog. How you guys doing? Wow, I haven't vlogged in a little while. I haven't vlogged in a while. How you guys doing? So today is Saturday. I'm traveling tomorrow. I'm going to Abuja tomorrow, and I need to get to Asaba today because for some reason I'm currently in Warri. For some reason the airport in Warri is not working for now. Don't know why. So I need to get to Asaba, and my flight is in the morning, so I have to leave today. From Warri to Asaba is like 3 hours. That's how far it is. It's like 3 hours, so very far. So I have to leave today. It's currently almost 3 o'clock, and the journey is like 3 hours long. So I need to leave the house right now. I'm contemplating, should I wear my wig or not? I mean, maybe I'll just wear it because I don't want to look like a bum. I just have a little shirt dress on because whenever I'm traveling, I always like to travel in like t-shirts and sweatpants. I just need like anything that's really free because I hate stress. So I like to wear free clothes. This is just like a really free shirt dress. So yeah, I just wanted to check in with you guys. I need to eat, which is why I'm waiting because I'm supposed to be on the road right now, but I need to eat. So once I finish eating, I will leave. So I'll talk to you guys later. Let me run. Hey guys, hey, my music. Hey guys, so I got to Asaba safely, and I'm at my friend's place currently. Faith, say hi. No. Vanessa, why will you do that? So yeah, and unfortunately, I just realized they sent me an email that my flight has been cancelled. So I don't know what I'm going to do right now. I'm just going to wait till in the morning, and then I'll think of what to do because right now I'm confused. I don't know what to do. So just wanted to check in with you guys real quick. Yeah.
Celebrity, please.
Me, of course. In case you don't know, my name is Vanessa. Yeah. Give me an IG, Vanessa Zeno. I'm about to blow.
Yeah. Please speak up your camera and vlog, please.
Before I blow. So you guys, currently at the I told you guys my flight got cancelled yesterday, so I have to I have to book oh my gosh, I have to book a fresh flight from Benin. So I left Asaba around like 7 this morning, and I got to Benin by 5. Checked in now. My flight is by 11:40, I think, and it's like 10:30 now, so I have to wait for close an hour. Stress, but yeah, I just want to check in with you guys. So later. So I just landed and I am currently on my way home. I slept like the whole flight, like all through the flight. And this is literally like my first time sleeping on a flight. I slept all through. I'm almost home now though. I'm so tired. You guys, I don't know if you can hear me, but I'm currently at the mall. I stopped to get food and some other things, and I just went to use the bathroom, and I'm about to go in now. So yeah. You guys, I am finally home. I just want to eat and sleep. I'm currently eating though. I got some food from the mall and I just want to sleep. I'm so tired. I don't know, should I end this vlog here or maybe leave it till later? Maybe I'll just extend the vlog to later, yeah? I'll catch up with you guys later. Bye. Fam, I just finished eating. I want to sleep. Like, I want to sleep for like the next 5 hours because I'm so freaking tired. So I'll see you guys later, okay? So you guys, today is Wednesday, yeah? I just finished editing this vlog. I was just putting like finishing touches to the vlog, and I realized I did not do an outro for the vlog. Like, how dumb is that? But you guys, this is the end of the vlog. Thanks for watching, and this was really short. Like, this was like really short, but I'm going to do like longer vlogs for you guys soon. So thank you for watching, and be sure to subscribe, like this video, and comment down below, and I'll see you guys in my next video.